Crash course on computer science, computer organization and architecture. Gain an understanding of how computers are organized and how they function at the hardware level. As you type on your keyboard or swipe on your phone. Have you ever wondered how it all works, the computing zone? Computer organization and architecture, the underlying core. The hardware and software, working together and more. Let's take a crash course, and dive right in. To understand the inner workings of the computer within. From the CPU to the memory and storage. Each component plays a role, like an actor on stage, a character. A story of bits and bytes, the language of machines. Binary code, zeros and ones, the building blocks, it seems. Logic gates and circuits, the foundation of it all. Binary arithmetic, addition, subtraction, and so on in the hall. But wait, there's more to learn and explore. The CPU, the brain of the computer, where calculations galore. Registers, instruction set architecture, and pipelining too. The clock speed and cache, all working together, it's true. Memory and storage, the storage space in the mind. RAM and ROM, and secondary storage, they bind. Hard drives and solid-state drives, the places where data reside. Virtual memory, the extension of RAM, where programs abide. Input and output, the interaction with the outside. The keyboard, mouse, and screen, the things you can't hide. Peripherals and buses, the communication lines. The USB, Ethernet, and more, they all shine. So, what are the top 12 popular computer organization and architecture concepts? Let's take a look. 1. Von Neumann architecture, the foundational concept of computer architecture, where data and instructions are stored in the same memory. 2. Central processing unit, CPU, the brain of the computer, responsible for executing instructions. 3. Registers, small storage areas within the CPU used to hold temporary data during processing. 4. Instruction set architecture, ISA, the set of instructions that a CPU can understand and execute. 5. Pipelining, a technique used to increase CPU performance by allowing multiple instructions to be executed simultaneously. 6. Memory hierarchy, the organization of different types of memory in a computer, ranging from high-speed, low-capacity memory, registers, to slower, higher-capacity memory, secondary storage. 7. Cache memory, a type of high-speed memory used to store frequently accessed data and instructions. 8. Input/output, I/O, the interface between the computer and the outside world, including devices such as keyboards, mice, monitors, and printers. 9. Buses, communication pathways used to transfer data between different components in a computer. 10. Hard disk drive, HDD, a type of secondary storage that uses spinning disks to store data magnetically. 11. Solid-state drive, SSD, a type of secondary storage that uses non-volatile memory to store data. 12. Ethernet, a popular communication protocol used for wired networking. Understanding computer organization and architecture is essential for anyone interested in computer science and programming. By learning about the different components and how they work together, you can better optimize your code and create more efficient software solutions. In conclusion, computer organization and architecture is the backbone of computing, the underlying infrastructure on which all digital innovations are built. From the von Neumann architecture to the CPU, memory, and storage, each component plays a critical role in the functioning of the computer. By understanding these concepts, you can become a better programmer and unlock the full potential of your software solutions. And so, we end this crash course on a note of hardware and software, the things that we tote. The building blocks of technology, the foundation of our world. Computer organization and architecture, the wonders unfurled. And as we conclude this crash course, let's take a moment to reflect on the wonders of computing, the power it projects. From the simplest of calculations to the most complex of tasks. The computer has changed the world, and that's no exaggeration, no mask. We've learned about programming fundamentals, data structures, and algorithms too. And computer organization and architecture, the inner workings, who knew? Each topic essential in its own way, building blocks of the digital age. A foundation for innovation and progress, a path we all engage. So let's continue to learn and explore the vast world of computing, with so much more in store. From artificial intelligence to quantum computing, and beyond. The future of computing, an exciting journey to be fond. In conclusion, let's remember that the beauty of computing lies not only in the technical aspects but also in the human element. The power of computing lies in its ability to change lives, solve problems, and create new opportunities. As we continue to learn and explore, let's strive to use technology for the greater good and make a positive impact on the world. And with that, we end this crash course, but the journey continues. The world of computing, an endless horizon, no limits, no venue. A world of infinite possibilities, waiting to be discovered. Let's dive right in, with passion and curiosity, uncovered. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. 8 = 7989335 is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and our price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our InHub Metaverse channel, and please watch more interesting videos here.